In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get Google Gemini API key for free. So for it, just go to any browser and search for aistudio.google.com. Just go to this link and I will also give this link in the description. Just check it out. So I'm going to press enter and it will take you to this page. So here on the right side, you will see this option get started. So you need to click here. Then you need to choose your email account. So I'm going to choose this one. I'll just click here. Then I'll give my password. Click here next. So here once you come to this dashboard, here you will see something like this, and at the bottom on the left side you will see this option get API key. So sometimes they move this option at the top and sometimes it's on the bottom. So here you can see get API key. You just need to click here and then here you can see create API key. So right now you need to click on this and you just need to give a random name. Let's say here YouTube. I'm just going to give a random name. You can name it anything and you can choose a project. So I'm going to click here create project and let's the project name will be YouTube as well. Then click here create project and there you can see new project created. So here you can see choose an imported project. So we just created YouTube. So I'm just going to choose this one, then click here create key and there you can see create a new key. It is now creating our API key and it's done. So here in order to copy the API key, you just need to click on this and the API key will be copied. So after that, just go to any notepad and paste the API key. So that's it. That's how you can get Google Gemini API key for free and you can use it anywhere. So thanks again for watching and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.